Hi everyone, it's Nick here from SoapVault. Today we are finally revealing the new calendar. Let's go ahead and let me show you some of the major things that we've been working on these past couple months. So right away you'll notice that the color of the appointment cards have been replaced with a thin band of color right over here on top of the appointment card. We do have two appointment cards that show full color, and that just means they're in the current time or they're active appointments. So both Amy and Brad are actively in a treatment, so you can quickly see any of your active treatments that are happening or going on. The other thing that you're going to notice is the breaks have been represented by these lines that are on a diagonal, and the availabilities are represented by this purpley gray color in the back. The other thing that's changed is when you click on an appointment, a view slide out comes out. It used to be the edit. So to get to the edit, you'll have to click on the pencil icon at the bottom here, and if you need to edit it in the details, you can get it that way. Or there's a number of other ways. There's two other ways you can get at it. You could hover over and you can click on the pencil icon here, or you can come to the hover over and you click on the pencil icon here. So there's three ways that you can get to that edit view. Let's move over to the sidebar, which has had a major update. And if you notice now, we have everyone's calendar showing. I'm going to change it to an active state. So we have this neat little tool here, and what happens is when you load the calendar for the first time, it's going to be in this active state. And what that means is anyone that has an appointment or a break or an availability, their calendar will load. So if I navigate to the 13th, you notice that only Amy and Brad's calendar will load. I can also change this active to everyone, and I can put everyone's calendar back. So let's go back to today's date, and it's still on everyone. We'll go back to the active state, and we'll load everyone's calendar that have active events. I may also only want to view Brad's calendar, and so I can explicitly select Brad, and I may want to put Julie's calendar, and so I can explicitly select Julie. So we have a circle around them to indicate that they're in a selected state, and a gray background to say that they're explicitly selected. So we have these two calendars, and now they're, in a sense, they're sticky. So it doesn't matter where I navigate to, only those two calendars will come up, regardless if the other ones have events. So let's unselect them, and we're going to go to that active state, and we're going to go back to today's date. So that's one of the major updates. The other major update is Find a Time. And so we used to have it as an add new appointment in this hover over here, and we've moved it back, or we moved it down here where it appropriately belongs. And so you can click on Find a Time now if you're quickly looking for, if someone comes in and says, I just need to see when your next available time is, and you can click on this Find a Time. And it's initially you will filter it by service, and so if I select acupuncture, only the two practitioners that perform acupuncture will come up, and it happens to be Julie and Amy, and I can select a date. The dots are represented here by morning, afternoon, and evening appointments. So if I select the 13th, and now we'll select a time, Amy's calendar comes up because she has an 8:15, and then I can book an appointment. So that's where you can quickly find an appointment, and so that's brand new functionality that we've added. The other thing that we've changed is the availability. The availability is just a quick little switch here, and you can switch into availability mode where you can manage your appointments, and the bars here, the colored bars, are represented by appointments where you can also hover over. And if you need to switch back into a selected state of a calendar state, you can quickly go back into the calendar state. Those are the major updates that we've made to the calendar. We're going to have instructional videos that will take you through some of the functions a bit more in detail than what I'm showing here. and they're going to be replaced by the videos that we currently have up on YouTube and on our website. So stay tuned, and there's a lot of new features that are going to be coming and be added to the calendar. So we're also really excited about the things that we're going to be adding to the calendar. So again, thanks for watching this video, and just stay tuned for many great things to come.